Hi everyone, welcome to my watercolor series inspired by this amazing book, The Joy of Watercolor by Emma Block. This book is filled with beautiful exercises designed to spark creativity and help us master a variety of watercolor technique. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to improve, this series is perfect for exploring new subjects and growing your skill step by step. Over the next few weeks, we dive into different themes like flowers, fruit, plants, animal, and people. Each video will focus on exercises from this book, giving us a chance to learn, practice, and enjoy the process of watercolor painting together. So grab your paint, just relax, and let's find the joy of watercolor. Hi everyone, welcome to lesson 5 of watercolor drawing. Today we are going to draw flowers in brown paper. Very lightly sketch out the flowers in the paper and the hand holding them with your pencil. Add some paint like purplish, blue and green and make the combination of the flowers into the bucket. So now it's time to paint the hand. To make the skin tone, I usually mix the burnt sienna and Chinese white to make it look like a skin. With the mixture, just paint the hand. Add a bit of brown and do the outline. For the sleeve, just use your very small brush and black paint to just paint the sleeve.